Tailors Ham breast balls is a must-have for tailors, for fashion designers, for students, and for making your sewing very easy, very beautiful. So in this video, this is what I will be teaching you how to make. One of the things you do with Tailors Ham is ironing out your under bust, your bust area, your corset, even bust caging. This is exactly what you'll be doing. I made these two different sizes for small and for medium or big, large sizes. So right now we'll be heading over to this tutorial video and look at how to make it properly. First, we'll be folding our paper into 4 places, just the way you fold it if you're about to cut out your flay or peplon. So right now I'll be marking from this pinpoint to 4.5 inches in length. That is for the bigger size of the breast ball. So in this size can be used for various sizes that are medium and even large. So I'll go ahead to cut it out after marking my 4.5 inches, as you can see. And then please, for the other size of the ball, which is the smaller one, the size will be 3.5 inches. So guys, that is a difference of 1 inch, as you can see. So the next thing I'll be doing is, after marking it, I'll go ahead to open it up. After marking it, please make sure not to cut out the second one. So for now, we'll be using the length of 4.5 inch. Then I fold my material into 4. I'm using a stretchy fabric. So guys, I'll go ahead to cut it as you are seeing on the video. Go ahead to cut. Make sure it is folded into 2. Make sure to fold it into 2 places, because you'll be joining these 2 pieces together. So I'll go ahead to sew round on half inch, half inch, and then I'll leave a space of 1.5 to 2 inches for turning it out, as you can see. So guys, make sure you do the same thing, okay? Right now, this is me after sewing up the half inch, and then I will go ahead to turn out my fabric on the right side, as you can see here on the video. So I'll make sure to turn it perfectly well, and then I'll begin to stuff in the materials that I'll be pushing right into this fabric. As you can see, you can go ahead and insert foam or even fiber if you wish, or if you can, but for me, I'm stuffing in old pieces of clothes that I'm no longer using. So guys, make sure to do same thing just the way I am doing here on the video. Very easy. Make sure you stuff it so well that there is no space again. So right now, I will go ahead to use my needle and thread to stitch it inside. Please stitch it inside as close as possible, so you will not be able to find the thread while looking at it from the outside. Guys, remember that Tailors Ham is a must-have for every fashion designer. It makes your work and your ironing easier, especially on the area of bust and the corset area, and even your under bust area. Guys, trust me, if you have Tailors Ham, or breast ball as people popularly call it, it will be very easy for you to iron out your dresses or open up your seam with your iron when you place it on your breast ball. So guys, please make sure to make one for yourself if you do not have one already, and I advise you make both for small size and for medium and large sizes, okay? So guys, this is it. That is what I'm doing. It is also very helpful in ironing your bustier area. That is, after making your bustier, you will have to open up your seams both inside and iron it out from the right side. So guys, this is me after stitching up this breast ball. As you can see, it is very impossible to notice that I hand stitched it I didn't tell you that I did it with my hands. So guys, this is how it's looking already. Look how it's looking, so smooth. Please make sure to go ahead and roll it with both hands, or roll it on the wall or on the floor. So right now we'll head over to the second piece, which is the smaller size. As you can see, I'll go ahead to fold it again and then cut out 3.5 inches in length, as you can see on the video, guys. So cut it out, guys. After cutting it out, I will go ahead to cut it on the desired fabric I'll be using for this particular one, just the way you are seeing on the video. Exactly what I did in the first breast ball is what I am also doing in this one as well. There is nothing so special and there is nothing difficult in it. So I am going ahead to stuff it inside and stuff it in, all in, just the way I did in the first one. Make sure to stuff it very well, that there will be no space left inside the breast ball. So go ahead and stuff it so well, and then go ahead also to hand tack it or stitch it with your needle and thread, as you can see on the video, guys. So guys, this is the finished look after making these breast balls, or Tailors ham as we popularly call it here. Thanks so much for watching. Thank you.